Okay. This is my Enjoy. I only had it for about 3 years. I don't skateboard that much. New to skateboarding. You see, it has the different color wood in between. I don't know much about skateboards, but has Spitfire wheels. It's actually customized. And then Venture trucks. See, that you can see Venture. Yeah. Just my skateboard. I think it's a nice skateboard. I don't know what. I mean, I know it's Enjoy, but I don't know like the specific type of Enjoy this. I got it for my birthday. I'm new to skateboarding. I think it's a nice skateboard. Had it for 3 years and it still looks kind of new. So, yeah. Well, some scratches, you know, it's kind of old. On the bottom it looks old, but see, it's all old. But on top, it looks kind of new. It's kind of muddy because cousin stepped on it with, she had mud on her shoes. Yeah, I think it's a nice skateboard.